Hi everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Please enjoy. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to create a new GRV. First, click on Goods Received as shown on the video. Then click on New GRV, then fill in the order number. Once you've done that, hit Enter on the keyboard to continue. Once you get to the next window, go to Supplier and click on the Search button. Here you can either hit Enter and a list of all suppliers will show, otherwise you can fill in a supplier name. Next, fill in the invoice number and the reference before you can continue. Once all these steps have been completed, please refer to our previous video on advanced stock search. Once you added all items to GRV as shown in example, go ahead and click Save. After clicking Save, a small pop-up will appear. Go ahead and click No to continue the GRVs. Click Save again, and a pop-up will appear with the balance. Click OK to continue. The last step is to click on Update. You can either select Print or No Print. In today's video, we will be taking a look at how to do a Goods Returned note. First, click on the Goods Returned button. On the next screen, click on New GRN to start the process. Next, select the supplier. You can either use the scroll section or search for the supplier through the Account Search tab. Once you've selected the supplier, the next step is to fill in the invoice number and the reference number. Once that's done, refer to the advanced search screen video to search and add products. After all products have been added, go ahead and click Save to finalize the Goods Returned note. Next, click OK on the balance page to continue. Here in this example, we will select Update and Print, then we will select Preview. Well done, you've completed this step. Keep up the great work and join us in the next video. Thank you for watching.